I lift my ball and chain behind me, every burden, every weight. I change my name to freedom, from prisoner and slave. I stood up to my oppressors, shook the shackles off my hands. I'm going down to the promised land. I'm dusting off the desert, I'm silencing my doubt.